WholeFoods.
Welcome to the Shameless Cooking.
You are now in the presence of Chef Shameless. Jerk chicken wine. You're not ready for this yet. Why? 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 You're not ready for this yet. Move over my lead. We've been whining since Zion days. What up, beautiful people? It is your homegirl, Chef Shameless, all up in your kitchen. We welcoming she. I flip-flop between Trini and Jamaican. My bad. With Jamaican, I'm kind of weak. So a lot of you guys watch this video, my diet, how I stay fit. If you haven't watched it, you might want to watch it at the end of this video. And the link is in the description box, okay? So step number one, the things you're gonna need is this track. You can download it. Make sure you guys read the description box for all the information, along with other awesome tracks by the tune master, the beat master, the music man J. Elliott, to wind up your waist side too while you're cooking. Cause cooking and all things in life are supposed to be fun. So I'm gonna share my secrets with you, okay? There we go. And the first thing you need is jerk chicken seasoning. Yes, it is mild. I am already hot-headed. Then you need to get yourself some chicken breasts. You're gonna marinate that overnight, 24 hours with coconut. This stuff is bomb. Now, I am not a fan of dairy. All those recipes that call for milk, buttermilk, get yourself some coconut milk. This stuff leaves your chicken moist. Then some sea salt, just a little sprinkle, little dabble. WholeSpice, aka pimento. I think it's the same thing, but for whatever reason, some places out here call it whole allspice. Get some bay leaves. You need some bay leaves. You can get some thyme, a little rosemary, a little cracked peppercorn, garlic. You can put some garlic. That would be bomb. What else? Onions, if you like onions, put that in there. I didn't put any onions in this one. But before we get into that, clean your chicken. And this is how I do it. Put some water and a little bit of vinegar, and I let that sit for like 5 minutes because I want a clean chicken. And then you wash your hands because you don't need that salmonella. And 2 little teaspoons of jerk chicken sauce. You just rub it in. A little sprinkle of thyme, rosemary, a couple bay leaves, and just a few of these little pimento balls, like 3. And then you take the coconut milk and you drizzle it, and you mix it around, and then you cover it, and you put it in your fridge. Okay? Puts it in your fridge. And then the next day, you cook it. You just pan sear it, you put a little olive on the pan, just enough to get the bottom coated. Then you put the chicken on it, and you put the lid on it, and then you make sure that that flame is low. Let it cook, I don't know, like what, 6 minutes? Just check, and then you turn it over, cook the other side, another 6 minutes, that's 12 minutes. And just keep checking, eyeball it. You know, I don't even really time it. Yeah, but while that's cooking for like 6 to 12 minutes, you're gonna prepare your salad. Get some of your baby spinach and shablam, shablow. Just put it in this bowl. Cooking is fun. I need a cooking show. So then you get it cucumber, cut it into little slices, you little thing there. Like so, you cut it into quarters. And then your chicken should be done at this point. So once all that's set, you get your chicken off of the grill or whatever you're using to cook. Chop it up. Look at that. Fresh off the stove. And then get your favorite toppings. This is so good. So good. Now, if you feeling real diva-like, shredded coconut, just put your hand in the bag like so. Then you sprinkle it about like. Then gonna get your dressing. This is the deal right here, okay? Then you mix it and you twirl it around like so, and so when you do your jerk chicken wine. Stay fit, have fun, body brave. You should be sweating by the time you're done cooking, okay? That's it. If you like this track, read the description box. I want to know what your favorite salad dressing is. Is it creamy like a ranch? vinaigrette. If you happen to make this jerk chicken salad, make sure you guys Instagram it, okay? I'm on Instagram, yo. Instagram it at me, and my username is Maya's World. Hashtag it. Be shameless. Do you, boo? Chef Shameless love you. I love you. And I want you. Hold on, we're me love to slow wine pon it. Jerk chicken wine pon it. It's not slow, Maya.
Chicken
It's hard though. It is a hard jerk chicken wine. Jerk chicken wine.
Chicken wine.
Chicken wine.
Chicken